Hey guys, Erin here with LaCkore Couture, and today we're going to be talking about all things Zodiac jewelry. But before we do that, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. So one of the things that I absolutely adore about Zodiac jewelry is that it is personalized. So over the years of being a jewelry designer and handmaking, and also just in my personal life of gifting jewelry over the years, I've noticed that if a piece of jewelry connects with that person that you're giving the gift to, or even if you're just buying it for yourself, if you can connect with it in some way, whether it's an initial, whether it's your kid's birthstone or your partner's birthstone, or it is, a name necklace, or in this case, like we're talking about today, a zodiac symbol. I cannot tell you how far this goes into a gift because it is just so special. Anytime you get somebody something that they really connect with, something that is meaningful, and that you took time to think about and say okay, her birthday is in February. Okay, so she is Aquarius. That is so special to so many people. And I'm telling you, it's gonna go a long, long way in your friendship, in your relationship. They're gonna absolutely adore that you took that special time to come up with something that was meaningful and something that you can connect with. Now, as most of you know, there are 12 astrological signs that goes with every month. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna start from December, January. So from December 22nd to January 19th, that sign is Capricorn. Now moving forward to January 20th to February 18th, this is Aquarius. Me. My birthday's February 6th, just in case you want to send me a little something. Anyway, February 19th through March 20th is Pisces. And I have to look into this. I'm not totally sure what this means, but both of my sons and my husband are all Pisces. I don't know if that's a sign and that's a good thing or not, but anyway, side note. Then next up we have, hold on, what comes after March? January, February, March, April. Okay, hold on, let me look for April. Okay, so before that, March 21st to April 19th is Aries. Then April 20th to May 20th is Taurus. Gemini is May 21st through June 20th. Then we have June 21st through July 22nd, and that is Cancer. Then we have July 23rd to August 22nd, that is Leo. August 23rd to September 22nd is Virgo. Libra is September 23rd to October 22nd. And then we have Scorpio, which is October 23rd through November 21st. Then November 22nd through December 21st is Sagittarius. And that is the whole calendar of all the astrological signs. So if you weren't sure where you fell, hopefully that gave you a little bit of info. And also, again, if you're gifting for someone, now you know where they fall. And it's always confusing to me because half the month could be, for example, January birthdays could be Capricorn or Aquarius. So you don't really want to guess. You want to really know that person's actual birthday and then kind of look it up to make sure that you're getting the right sign, because nothing worse than taking your time to go out of your way to, figure out their sign and then get them the wrong sign. So make sure you check the day, make sure you check that it falls in the right sign for that portion of the month. Okay, so now I'm going to go over what every astrological sign actually means, what energy they're vibing with and all that. So for Aries, their typical traits are they're very eager, dynamic, quick, and competitive. Then jumping over to Taurus, typically they're very strong, dependable, sensual, and creative. I like that. Gemini, versatile, expressive, curious, and kind. There's something positive about each one, but I don't know if it's real or not, but either way, you can find a way to connect with your sign always. So Cancer, intuitive, sentimental, compassionate, and protective. Leos are dramatic, outgoing, fiery, and self-assured. Virgos are practical, loyal, gentle, and very analytical, which I know a few Virgos and I would agree. Okay, moving along to Libra. Very social, fair-minded, diplomatic, and gracious. Now we're going to Scorpios. So Scorpio, their typical traits are going to be passion, like very passionate. They're stubborn, but they're resourceful and very brave. And I feel like maybe because they're so passionate about something that they have to be brave to have that passion. Next up, we have Sagittarius. Now, their typical traits are going to be they're extroverted, optimistic, funny, and generous. And next up, we have Capricorn, which typically they're very serious, independent, disciplined, and tenacious. It's so funny how they're all like very, very different. And I always find it interesting to hear about like what people say, like which signs connect with each other, which ones should not be together and all that. And maybe we'll save that for another video one day. Now, my sign, Aquarius, deep, imaginative, original, and uncompromising. Okay, I would agree with this. And Pisces, which is, like we said, my husband and my kids, let's see, they're affectionate, empathetic, wise, and artistic. And I would say that definitely suits them. I love it. So I wanted to let you guys know that I'm super pumped about this because I've actually been working on a line of Zodiac necklaces, and I don't know if you peeped this little cutie, but I'm wearing one right now. And this one is actually Taurus. So this is not my birthstone, but I just threw it on because it was so cute and I really like the green. But as you could see, super fun little pendant. All of them have their different virtue signs. And then I included the birthstone of that month. So they're all going to be different color gemstones. I'm really, really excited about these. I have a really good feeling that everyone's going to love them. And it's like perfect in time for the holidays. So I'm very excited about that. So whether you're totally into astrology or you're just starting to dabble and learn about it, hopefully you got something out of this video and you love my new Zodiac collection. And if you want to see more of my jewelry or videos, make sure you click the links in the descriptions below and help support my channel. And if you want to learn more about LaCkore Couture, fashion, and fun, click one of the videos above me and I'll see you in the next one.